Hello, this is a quick video on 3-3 when you have identity or no solution. And we're going to do the quick check here. So on this problem here, letter A, we have variables on both sides of the equation. And our goal is to pick a side and move the variable over to the other side and get the variable by itself. Well, let's see what happens. Let's pick the right side. So I'm going to subtract 5n from both sides. And when I do that, I get 9 equals -1. And in this case, if you remember back to the other videos, this would be no solution. Okay, over here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pick a side. Let's pick the right side over here. And we're first going to combine these two here. And then we're going to move the 5x over. So you combine 7x minus 2x. Well, that's 5x. So we get 9 plus 5x. And right away you could see that both sides equal each other. And you can go ahead and say identity. Let's look at the other quick check. So again, we got to pick a side. I'm going to pick the left side this time. Let's move everything over to the left side. So we're going to we're going to subtract d from both sides. And we get -7d equals 4. Then we have to solve for d still. Divide both sides by 7, or -7, and we get d equals -4/7. Now that's an answer, so we can check it. So I'm going to do a check on this, and I'm going to do -6 times -4/7. Is that equal to -4/7 plus 4? And this looks like a tough check here, but let's see what happens here. If we multiply the 6 times -4, we get 24/7 and equal to -4/7 plus 4. Now the best way to do this is I want to add 4/7 to both sides, and when I do that, we get 28/7, which equals 4, and it checks. Okay, moving along to the other side here, we're going to pick a side. I'm going to pick the left side for my variable to be on, so I'm going to subtract 5k from both sides. And if I do 7k minus 5k, I'm going to get 2k minus 4 equals 16. We're going to solve this as a two-step now. Add 4 to both sides. And we get 2k equals 20. And you could just say k equals 10 at this point. Once again, since we got an answer, we're going to do a check. And we're going to do 7 times 10 minus 4. Is that equal to 5 times 10 plus 16? Well, let's see. 70 minus 4, that's going to be 66. And over here we have 5 times 10 is 50 plus 16, which is also 66. So that checks out, and our answer is k equals 10.